You need to watch this if you're tired of the 9 to 5 grind. Are you feeling stuck in a job that doesn't fulfill you? Do you dream of having the freedom to work from anywhere, set your own hours, and be your own boss? If so, you're not alone. Many people are searching for a way out of the traditional work model, and affiliate marketing could be the answer you've been looking for. Discover how affiliate marketing can transform your life. Hey there, aspiring marketers. Imagine waking up each day excited to work on something you're passionate about, knowing that your efforts are directly contributing to your financial success. Affiliate marketing offers the opportunity to do just that. Did you know the affiliate marketing industry is expected to grow to $8.2 billion by 2025? That's right, the industry is booming, and there's never been a better time to get involved. With more and more companies recognizing the power of affiliate marketing, the opportunities are endless. That's a lot of potential for financial freedom. Imagine being able to earn a substantial income by promoting products you love and believe in. The best part? You don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. Your main focus is on driving traffic and generating sales. So what is affiliate marketing? Let's break it down. At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you, the affiliate, earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. When a customer makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a percentage of the sale. Simply put, it's promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique link. This means you can focus on marketing and leave the product creation and fulfillment to the experts. It's a win-win situation for both you and the companies you promote. It's one of the most accessible ways to build passive income, but let's be real. While the concept is simple, the execution can be challenging. Many new affiliate marketers struggle with competition and generating traffic. It's not uncommon to feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information and strategies out there. Many new affiliate marketers struggle with competition and generating traffic. The online space is crowded and standing out can be tough. But don't let that discourage you. With the right approach and mindset, you can overcome these challenges and achieve success. It can be overwhelming, right? The key is to stay focused and not get bogged down by the noise. Remember, every successful affiliate marketer started where you are now. They faced the same obstacles and found ways to overcome them. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm here to guide you through the process and share the strategies that have worked for me. With dedication and persistence, you can achieve your goals and unlock the freedom that affiliate marketing offers. First, choose the right niche. This is a crucial step in your affiliate marketing journey. Your niche should be something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. It should also have a hungry audience that is actively seeking solutions to their problems. Find something you're passionate about and that has a hungry audience. Next, build your audience. This involves creating valuable content that resonates with your target market. Whether it's through blog posts, social media, or videos, your goal is to provide value and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Leverage social media, start a blog, or create engaging YouTube content. These platforms are powerful tools for reaching a wide audience and driving traffic to your affiliate links. Consistency is key. Regularly posting high-quality content will help you build a loyal following. The key is to provide value and build trust. Now here's a game changer. Building trust with your audience is essential for long-term success. People are more likely to purchase through your affiliate links if they trust your recommendations. Be honest and transparent about the products you promote. When I started, I focused on creating a profitable sales funnel. A sales funnel is a series of steps designed to guide potential customers towards making a purchase. It typically includes a lead magnet, such as a free ebook or webinar, to attract leads, followed by a series of emails that provide value and build trust. 1 month later, I was earning more than my 9-to-5 job. This was a turning point for me. Seeing the results of my efforts was incredibly motivating and reinforced my belief in the power of affiliate marketing. Implementing these strategies can truly lead to significant earnings. It's not just about making a quick buck. It's about building a sustainable business that can provide you with financial security and freedom for years to come. So let's wrap it up. Affiliate marketing is a journey, and like any journey, it requires planning, effort, and perseverance. But the rewards are well worth it. By following the steps I've outlined, you can set yourself up for success and achieve the financial freedom you desire. Affiliate marketing is a viable pathway to financial independence. It offers the flexibility to work on your own terms and the potential to earn a substantial income. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay committed, keep learning, and don't be afraid to adapt your strategies as you go. Choose the right niche, build your audience, and create a killer sales funnel. Got questions or thoughts? I'm here to help. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level, I'm committed to providing you with the support and resources you need. Drop them in the comments. Let's build a community of like-minded individuals who are all striving for success in affiliate marketing. Your questions and insights can help others on their journey as well. And don't forget to check out my other video on finding the best affiliate programs. See you next time. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future content. Together, we can unlock the freedom that affiliate marketing offers. See you in the next video.